My name is Wade. I'll be your video kayaker for the day. Man, there's a lot of great Class 4 action downstream, so let's go rafting! Check it out, guys. We're at your first big Class 3 rapid. That's right, it's called Ewing's Rapid. Name that for the restaurant. You may even want to eat up there. Anyway, check this baby out. You guys are going to start right up there. Work your way down towards the middle. You're aiming for the downstream V, the funnel. Hey, I saw a raft flip there just the other day. Once you go through there, you're lined up perfect for the big Mondo gnarly hit. So get on down there. Welcome to the wall. Let me tell you what, this is one fun Class 4 rapid. Right now you guys are right around the corner. You're getting ready to drop in. When you do, you're going to start somewhere up there. You're going to work your way down towards the middle and get hit after hit after hit after hit all the way down into the big Mondo wave. Guaranteed to get your face wet, so get on down there.
I'm thinking it's all over when I go out drinking. Oh, making my mind slow. That's why I don't fuck with the big 4-0, bro. I got to maintain, cause a nigga like me is going insane. Insane in the membrane. Insane in the membrane. Insane in the brain. Insane in the membrane. Insane in the membrane.
Now it's time for the blubber, blabber. To watch that belly get fat, a fat boy on a diet. Don't try it, attack your ass like a looter in a riot. My shit's fat like a
for lunch. I'll see you downstream in Limestone. Check it out, guys. We're at the world-class Limestone Rapid. It is one sweet rapid. Right now, you guys are right around the corner. You're shaking off the food coma. You just had a fat lunch. Getting ready to drop in. When you do, you're going to start somewhere up there. Going to work your way down towards the middle. Get slammed by that wave and all the way down. So get on down here. Class 4 action, guys. This is called Joe's Diner, and you're going to get your fill here if you're not careful. That right there is Joe's Hole, and this is Joe's buddy, Bob. They love to do lunch together. So get on down there and let's see how you do.
So you wanna be a rock superstar and live large, big house, 5 cars, you're in charge. Coming up in the world, don't trust nobody, gotta look over your shoulder constantly. I remember the days when I was a young kid growing up, looking in the mirror, dreaming about blowing up. The rock crowds make money, chill with the honeys, sign autographs and whatever the people want from me. It's funny how impossible dreams manifest in the games that be coming with it. Nevertheless, you got to go for the gusto, but you don't know about the blood, sweat, and tears, and losing some of your peers, and losing some of yourself through the years past gone by. Hopefully it don't manifest, but the wrong guy, egomaniac and the brainiac, don't know how to act. Beat 48 tracks, studio gangsta max, sign the deal, thinks he's gonna make a meal, but never will, till he crosses over steel, filling your head with fantasies. Come with me, show the sacrifice it takes to make the cheese. You wanna be a rock superstar in the biz, it takes you from people who don't know what it is. I wish it was all fun and games, but the price of fame is high, and some can't pay the way. Feel trapped in what you rapping about. Tell me what happened when you lost clout. The route you took started collapsing. No fans, no fame, no respect, no change, no women, and everybody on your show. You wanna be a rock superstar and live large, a big house, 5 cars, you're in charge. Coming up in the world, don't trust nobody, gotta look over your shoulder constantly. To be a rock superstar and live large, a big house, 5 cars, you're in charge. Coming up in the world, don't trust nobody, gotta look over your shoulder constantly.
People see rock star, you know what I'm saying, but you still trying to get out and work like everybody else, you know. it's a fun job, but it's still a job. There's gonna be another cat coming out looking like me, sounding like me next year. I know this. It'll be a flip side to what you did. Somebody else trying to spin off like some series.
Yeah, I have big dreams. I'm making big cream. Big shot, heavy hitter on the main skin. You wanna look trendy in the Bentley. Be a snob and never.
Ooh.